Primavera. 1. That I loved them, and that meant loving them forever, a small window, that for me it would be an eternal memory, lost, darkness utterly black, travel no visible record. 2. So this is image poetry, he asks. No, I said, the voices faded in, afternoon air, noise of traffic, early heat. I walked with my back to him, away into the crowd, then turned to face him. He had already stopped filming. 3. White chalk on a blackboard, blue chalk on a blackboard, green chalk on a blackboard, yellow chalk on a blackboard, white, blue, green, yellow, chalk on the pavement. 4. Those children will take your hand because unable to tell you, lead you away. They may kiss your mouth or to stop your commands. They will avoid your eyes, then perhaps stare fixedly into them, and then not look at your eyes again. 5. Light changing the features, right side of the face, I mean scarcely visible in reproduction. 6. The telephone, the small window, table, no words, a gap at the heart of things, black space exactly next to the light from the window. 7. Looking into someone's face, then hearing their words over the telephone. Table, center of the room, diffused light of afternoon. 8. Walking in the woods for miles, then coming into my room. Beyond allegory, beyond dreams. Pavement, the only guide. The figure stopped, put her head to the window, looking out, her eyes pensive. 9. Two figures, one my friend, their backs, both of them facing that wall, the wailing wall, a death. 10. A wood, a forest, my own youth, city, material images of high contrast, footsteps through a doorway to follow the differences in how we walked between some fragments, O light of spring.